We're not going to have any audio for you guys today because with my new helmet, I don't have my microphone installed. So the only audio you're going to hear is pretty much when I'm coming to a dead stop through the GoPro itself, and the audio through the GoPro sucks, but it's all good. This is a muddy spot right here, man. Rain for the past like 3 days though, so hopefully it's not too terribly bad. We might be out of it, not yet. We're gonna try to go this way, guys. That's sticker bushes. Guys, this Racetech front feels absolutely amazing. That's where you'll feel it, is when you're hitting those humps and ruts and roots and things like that. Going uphill and going downhill, just hitting them in general. It feels good. It feels really good. So I'm gonna just give you guys like some highlights. Is all. Other than that, you might not even be able to hear me talking right now. I don't know. Bike sounds good. Fresh oil change. Got the Racetech front. Got the rim locks. She's got some good updates, upgrades, so forth. You're good. Blast it. Oh, this front end, guys, feels amazing. This front end feels amazing. Amazing. Hey, I think I'm gonna hit that hill once. Hey, so yeah, I got you. He told me what this is. It's a fiddle fern, dude.
Yeah, I remember seeing you guys' comment.
Beautiful. All right, let's see how she sounds for you guys going up this hill. That's what she sounds like there. If I can go up the other side. Maybe not. We'll just bomb it right here. What do you guys think of that? Racetech feels amazing. What do you guys think of the sound of the exhaust? What you doing there, Pea Green? That didn't work. You think I can make it through there? Cool you off. Man, look at this. Oh, this will be fun. Oh, shit. That didn't work. Just go straight through. Keep on the throttle. Awesome.
Watch out, Zach.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Hell yeah. He said one more, so we should be good. Now this one's a lot of fun. You want to go first or you want to follow me?
Following you.
Cool. What do you guys think, man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CRFs. And I gotta tell you guys, this thing sounds amazing in the woods. It's super light, you definitely feel the difference. And this Racetech kit, man, is amazing. Absolutely amazing. If you're thinking of getting it, you gotta get it, because it's absolutely amazing. It's a world of difference.
Fuck yeah, bruh.